Hello po, ako po si Kevin Del Barrio and magre-report po ako about sa Windows 2000. History of Windows 2000. Windows 2000 was developed as an evolution of the Windows NT operating system, with the first beta version which is yung NT 5.0. Nirelease siya noong September 1997. Tsaka yung pangalang Windows 2000 kasi opisyal na inihayag noong October 27, 1998. Tsaka referring the projected release year. Yung Windows 2000 kasi was primarily designed for business, offering features like Active Directory, improved plug and play support, and better stability. Architecture of Windows 2000. Hybrid. Windows 2000 combines elements of client, server layered, and object-oriented architectures. Yung layered design, yung architecture kasi is structured in layers na may kernel mode tsaka isang user mode. Yung user mode kasi contains subsystem and has limited resource access. And then yung object-oriented, dito naman hindi siya mahigpit na object-oriented na OS. Kasi yung Windows 2000 gumagamit ng mga bagay upang kumatawan doon sa isang nakabahaging mapagkukunan ng system and borrows from features of objects-oriented languages. Systematic multiprocessing or tinatawag na SMP. Dito naman, yung Windows 2000 sinusuportahan niya yung madaming processor na nagpapagana ng parallel processing. 32-bit addressing. Gumagamit siya ng 32-bit addressing which is a feature of the x86 architecture. Virtual memory naman, it support virtual memory allowing the system to run programs that exceed physical memory capacity. Then sa modular networking naman, Windows 2000 has built-in modular networking capabilities supporting various protocols. Security of Windows 2000. Windows 2000 has basic security features but is outdated and no longer supported since 2010. It lacks modern protections, so hindi po siya safe sa panahon natin ngayon. Kaya mas maganda na bagong OS yung i-upgrade natin sa ating mga computer. File system of Windows 2000. First, NTFS. This version of NTFS introduced with Windows 2000 provided features gaya ng file system level encryption, disk quotas, sparse files, and reparse points. Advantage niya is better security, provided more robust security features. Tsaka improved disk utilization, which is offered better disk utilization compared to FAT. Tsaka enhanced features, supported features like file compression, encryption, and mirroring drives. Then yung second natin is yung FAT and FAT32. FAT16, the old MS-DOS file system. And yung FAT32 were also supported, but NTFS has the preferred choice for Windows 2000. Networking of Windows 2000. Support protocol. Windows 2000 supports various network protocols including TCP or IP, NetBEUI, ATM, and IPX or SPX. User interface of Windows 2000. User interface niya is yung sa default user interface Windows Shell, which is graphical na siya. Then sa license, proprietary commercial software, then proceeded by Windows NT 4.0, which is 1996, succeeded by Windows XP 2001 client, and Windows Server 2003, which is 2003 servers. Application of Windows 2000. Running applications. Windows 2000 was designed to run various application programs, then file storage and management. It provides robust file storage and management capabilities, including support for the Windows NT file system or NTFS. Then sa networking naman, it supported networking features allowing computers to connect and share resources. Then sa multimedia niya, it included support for multimedia features such as audio and video playback. Comparison of Windows 2000, Mac OS versus Windows versus Linux. Windows primarily aimed at businesses and professionals, offering stability and features of enterprise environment. Then sa Mac OS naman, focus on ease of use and a cohesive user experience, appealing to both creative professionals and general users. Then sa Linux, open source and customizable, appealing to developers, power user, and those seeking a flexible operating system.